Welcome to Sales Cookie, everyone. Reporting is a key component of a successful commission program. So today I'm just going to give you a sneak peek into what reports are available out of the box within Sales Cookie and some of the reporting engines you can connect to natively out of Sales Cookie. So first of all, we have 20 plus commission reports in 3 categories: payout, crediting, attainment. So the payout reports, as you can see, lots of different options let you analyze your spend. Crediting reports let you look at your credited transactions across a variety of dimensions. The attainment reports let you analyze your plan design and feasibility. So if there's certain reports you like, go ahead and publish them as an administrator, and now you would have a live report dashboard within Sales Cookie to analyze, and this is all coming off of live data. You can search on it, you can sort on it, you can go down to a specific plan, a specific calculation if you wanted to. So that's obviously very, very useful. Let's go look at what other reports are available. So we've recently added rep surveys where you can survey your reps on what they're thinking about commissions, are they satisfied, and so forth. We have a new beta feature called Revenue Analytics, and this is going to be really powerful, whereby you'll be able to analyze the health of your customers, what we see in terms of revenue growth, revenue forecast, and so forth. So be on the lookout for that. So I'm going to go back to the reporting. We have a full ASC 606 amortization report available. But again, we know reporting is very specific and custom to every organization. And that's why we've spent time developing an open API whereby you can pull in the Sales Cookie data into an Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. So let's take a peek at Tableau, for example. And this blog article will walk you through how within minutes you can connect Sales Cookie to Tableau, pull in your entities, show the joins, and run reports. So I actually have my Tableau report open. You can see I can do a lot of different analysis, look at that same data in a variety of ways. So hopefully that's useful and gets across the point that, we've really tried to focus on both out of the box reporting for you, as well as providing open API so you can do a lot more slicing, dicing outside of Sales Cookie. Any questions? Drop us a line. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.